Hey. Okay. We're Hyper Peterson. I'm the cameraman over there. Today we're going to find a turtle with my magnifying glass. Yeah, you can see. But right now,
I can see the turtle. I saw a baby.
baby on the shelf. And there's wall. It does a color shell. The baby one has a pink shell with a diamond, but the big one. Let me take off the baby and see all. Look, this is a treasure chest. I love it. That's a good color. This one.
Where it is?
Look at the faces. They all look as the green. Yeah, they look blue to me, but they're still green.
Well, we can take them in a backpack.
It's little and it's the same as the big one. Yeah.
Look at the body.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put them in a backpack.
That one has the same body right here.
Yeah. Okay, then let's put it in a backpack. I think we gotta find the next one, the birds.
Now he's stopping.
We gotta find the birds now, Cam. Hyper Peterson.
Yeah, we second before.
When you put the turtle, boss. Oh my gosh, look at it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wait, how do you put it in the pocket?
Because there's something in.
That's why.
Where's the baby? Found it. The baby.
The baby went here, boss.
Went over. This is what it is. Found it. Now I put the turtle right here. Now I'm gonna open it.
नहीं वो Huzefa. Okay, now we gotta find the next one.
Here, we're gonna find the parrot next.
Yeah, cause I'm on the parent.
और कहाँ फेंके मैट? कहाँ फेंके उतार के मैट? ये वाले.
Put on next.
लास्ट दो जल्दी दो सारे उठा के ले ले.
Okay, Hyper Peterson, hurry up. Gotta find the parent. Wow, this jungle is so far to Edmonton, Harbor. The sun is still up, Hyper Peterson, and it's going almost down.
But where are we finding
इसके बाद बैठ के देख लो.
I know it. Okay, Hyper Peterson. Oh man, I saw a bird on top.
Here is a lovely bird right over here.
That's a lovely bird. That's an ice cream bird. Wait, how are we going to catch him?
I can catch him.
Do not get it down. It's going to bite you.
Yeah.
That's Hyper Peterson. Can you hold that?
Okay. Look at the skills. Look at the feathers.
Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, he's singing a song.
Wait. Why?
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay. Let's look at him. Let's look at him over here. From that.
He said,
Okay, bus up, God, bus karo. Whoa.
he said,
Okay.
Again.
Hyper
Yeah.
Peterson. Well, look at the bird. It's so cool.
So cool. Look at the pink legs over here. And it's an ice cream bird. Ice cream bird. Gotcha.
Now you gotta leave him at home because you're gonna squish him, Hyper Peterson. Oh my gosh, Hyper Peterson. Let's put it in the backpack now.
Not the bird. It's in the backpack.
Okay, Hyper Peterson. Ready. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be exciting for all those pets. It's already. Stay here. Stay calm down. Okay. Okay, Barbie Peterson. Now we gotta find the next animal.
What animal we gonna find next?
I don't know. Gotta see. And then. Wait,
Happy, get out. Look at the turtle is getting out.
Oh yeah.
It's trying to get out from my bag.
Wait,
The turtle's
Happy
trying to
Peterson.
get out of my bag, right?
Yeah, I know what Happy Peterson. Wait, are we going to learn another animal, Happy Peterson?
Yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're all gonna learn another one.
Okay. Oh my, that's so scary.
Dog.
Oh,
Come on,
no.
do it. Except where are here? Where's the first one here? What is that animal? What is that animal?
That's not an animal.
Oh, that was my toy long time ago. Just leave it alone.
Ah, you cannot find the next animal. I think I close the lights. Well, Happy Peterson?
I said sorry.
Oh.
I can't find another. I found no right here.
Well, then we should have to look at that way.
Where are all the other animals?
I don't know, Happy Peterson. I gotta find it.
Where's the animal? I don't see the other animals here.
Well, we got 2 animals. We can take them to a home, Happy Peterson.
Yeah, we got 2. We got the bird inside the bag, and the turtles and the little turtle right here in the pot.
Oh, I saw another turtle, boss.
That's somebody's turtle. They got it from the jungle, and that's
no,
theirs.
you can take it. You can take it.
Wait.
Oh my, I got the baby turtle, boss. You're so cute. Ah, he's taking me. He's taking me in the shirt. He's
That's
so
another
tickled.
turtle.
Yeah, that's a shell turtle.
That's the same one. Those two.
No, his name is shell turtle and his name is sea turtle.
Shell turtle. That's another shell turtle, and that's another sea turtle. They're all different, but they have the same shells.
Ah, boss, I really like those
All
pets.
are the same.
Let's go take them to home. Let's go take them to home. Let's go take them to home, boss.
I love the color.
One here. Okay, now the next one.
No, it's 4.
Oh, that one is swimming.
What else do you see?
Nothing, Happy
Nothing
Peterson.
else. That's it.
Okay.
Let's go home.